Hi, I'm Shreya. So I thought that maybe I should start introducing myself because a lot of new people have joined in and they don't know my name. So hi, I'm Shreya. So as you have already read today's title, it is monthly favorites for the month of May 2021, and May was also my birthday month and I got a few gifts and I have included some of them or maybe all of them in this video because I absolutely love them. So yeah, that is it and let's begin. So the first thing that I would like to mention is the dress that I'm wearing. This is not a top, it is a proper dress. Actually not just one dress, but I have two dresses to show and both of them are my birthday gifts. One is by my sister and the another one is by mama. So this one is a bodycon dress and it has a tie-dye print on it, and this is how it looks. I don't have a lot of bodycon dresses, so it's nice that I get to experiment with this one. And this is the another dress that I got. This is selected by mama. This one is also a very nice casual dress, something that I generally wear in summers when I'm going out. When it came in, it was a little bit longer, like it was reaching my knees, but I asked her to alter it a little bit. So I think now I'm happy with its length. And yeah, so this was my first favorite. Okay, so the next thing are these Wordsearch books. Now I think I got them back in school and I randomly found them one day lying in my bookshelf. So I have two of these. ये blue वाली तो बहुत ही पुरानी है. This has total of 50 puzzles. I have solved around 27 or 28 of them. 5 तो मैंने इसी महीने में किए हैं and बाकी मैंने स्कूल में किए थे. And the another one, the green one, is brand new. Like it is totally new. मैंने छुआ भी नहीं है उसको. This is actually a great form of mind exercise. Like I can actually feel the first puzzle that I solved took me like 2.5 hours or something, and the last, like the latest puzzle that I solved, उसमें मुझे सिर्फ 50 minutes लगे, 52 minutes to be precise. So yeah, you can try it out for yourself. It is actually available on Amazon, so I'll provide the link down below, of course. So let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing, and one of my favorites, like absolute favorites of this month, is this. So if you have not noticed, I'm wearing this cute little drop earring on my Helix piercing. So I got this piercing back in 2019. I got this piercing at the first place because I wanted to wear these kind of earrings. I got this from a Instagram page called My Piercing Book. I got two of these, so I'm wearing one of them. This is like a little disco ball hanging. This was also one of the birthday gifts from my parents, and this is the another one. I think they have a shop at Kamla Nagar also. So you have to be like really very patient because I think they are still very new to the whole online situation and they are still figuring it out. So you will literally have to text them like 2-3 times. But I saw their whole page and I thought that it is a reliable source, so I ordered it and I went ahead. Yeah, just one thing, you have to be patient like while talking because they take time to respond. Like if I have texted in the morning, they will reply in the evening or afternoon. So if you also want something like this, it will be in the description again. The next thing is this table. So I don't know what exactly is it called, but yeah, this is like a tiny laptop table that you can use when you are sitting on the bed. So I'm not very comfortable sitting on a study table. I always end up sitting on my bed and after some time my back would hurt. Actually, my brother has the same table in a different color and I would usually steal this from him, but obviously it didn't work out for a very long time. So I had to get one for myself, and it is actually like really nice quality. The material is very sturdy and there is also some space for you in case you want to keep a tablet or a notebook, anything. And this is from Amazon again, and in case you want it, the link will be in the description. So the next thing is this mandala coloring book. Now I read somewhere that this is kind of a stress reliever. With this I also got some colors. I had some colors, but in my defense they look too pretty and I love stationery, so I got them too. So there are like 15 or 17 pages. It's filled with complex mandala designs and it took me like 2-3 days to complete one of them because you really need to concentrate while you are coloring it. I think this was a great buy. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy something like this once again, but at least for now I'm pretty happy with this purchase. So yeah, So the next thing is going to be my favorite show of the month. Now honestly, I didn't really watch anything new. I tried not to watch anything new because if I start something new and I like it, then I go crazy and I forget about everything else in my life. But I watched this show on Netflix. It is called The Circle season 2. I have already watched the season 1 last year. So this is a reality show and I really like the concept of it. So the contestants are like put in different apartments. All of them are living in separate apartments and they are supposed to make social media profiles. Now anyone can pretend to be anyone. Some of them are like real people and some of them are pretending to be someone else. So it's like a light-hearted show, something that you can watch when you just want to chill. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so moving on, I got this crop top. Now this was in my Amazon cart since a very long time, and this was kind of an impulse buy. I bought the Mandala coloring book, right? So that was roughly around 150 rupees or something. So they were charging 60 or 70 rupees extra for shipping, and I didn't want to pay that. So I thought that this is lying in my cart for a very long time and I want it. I didn't have to pay for the shipping. I mean, tell me I'm not the only one who has done this. In my defense, Friends Reunion just came out and I haven't watched it. Like, I will, and when I watch it, I'll wear this t-shirt. I know it doesn't make any sense, but okay, next. So I got 3 pairs of PJ sets. Yeah. Now there is a little story behind this. So everyone was asking me what do I want for gift on my birthday. So I just casually said that I want a nice pair of pajamas. So my sister went ahead and ordered a pair for me. So she got me this dress and this PJ set, and I had no clue about it. On the other hand, my parents, specifically Papa, asked me to choose one, and then he chose one by himself. So this is how I got 3 PJ sets. But I love each one of them because all of them are completely different from each other. One of them has shorts, another one has quarter pants, and the last one has full pants. So everything has been covered. Okay, so coming to one of my favorite segments is the recipe of the month. I think you will be surprised to know my favorite recipe of the month, but it is curd rice. I mean, in my defense, I have always eaten curd rice with like curd and rice and namak per se. But this one I recently got to know about it. This is how the South Indian people make it. More specifically, this is how the Kannadigas make it. I found a random video on YouTube and I thought of trying it. So let's see how the South Indian curd rice is made. So for this you will need very basic ingredients. So I'm taking 1 cup of curd. I will add some chili powder, some cumin seed and salt according to your taste. Mix it all together and keep it aside for some time. Meanwhile, take another pan, put some oil in it. And for the spices, we are going to add some cumin seeds, mustard seeds, some garlic, curry leaves, urad dal, add some green chilies or dried chilies. So I'm going to mix it all together for some time. Of course, salt according to your taste, and add some rice. Now the rice is already cooked. Let it cool down for some time, and after some time you can add the curd mixture. And our curd rice is ready. Okay, so the last one is it has to be my birthday, that is 28th of May. So this was my second lockdown birthday and I honestly have no complaints. I think it was the best. It couldn't have been better. I got so many gifts and also amazing food, all thanks to Mama, and not just her but everyone else. So yeah, so this was it for May 2021 favorites. So everything that I have mentioned in this video will be in the description down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to actually like it, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.